Hi guys, good morning. This is your Chef Prakash. How are you all? And I hope you all doing good. And today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic. Actually, yesterday I read this article. I am planning to make video yesterday, but unfortunately I cannot able to do it yesterday because of some other work. So today I am making this video and I will explain what I read in that article. The subject is, are you a Panipuri lover? If you like Panipuri, if you are eating Panipuri regularly, this video is only for you. Because yesterday I read in the Twitter, it's happened in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. You know, the Panipuri everyone like, but it is not good for a diabetic patient and heart disease patient, and it is rich in calories and lot of fats also in that. And one more thing, that pani puri they are frying, no, it is not a real cooking oil, maybe palm oil, maybe second class oil, but we are eating the pani puri. The last 2 days before in Ahmedabad, in the pani puri they are serving with some gravy, no, with the green peas gravy something. In that gravy, instead of chat masala, and they are adding some ajinomoto for the taste. But the small children's, everyone will eating the pani puri. You know what is ajinomoto? It's already banned in India, but I don't know how they are getting ajinomoto and how they are preparing ajinomoto in pani puri. It's really a shock news. So the pani puri don't have any health benefits. It's just a chat. But if you regularly consuming, it is not good for your health. This is awareness video. I read this matter, really I'm getting shocked. Those who are having the habit of eating pani puri regularly, please keep this message in your mind and try to stop eating that. First of all, the oil, now this issue, and it spoils your health. So what I read, I will explain in this video. You have to think about this thing. It's very important now, because you are eating with your family, with your children's. It will affect your children's health also. So try to avoid, and please share this message to everyone. If you like, share this video also, no problem, but try to stop it. This is the humble request, because which is not good for our health, we have to stop it. We no need to consume again and again and get our health issues. So this is the today's message to you all. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Keep support our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.